Another common question we have: my spouse is skeptical. I'm worried my spouse won't agree, or what if my spouse doesn't agree at all? It's natural to have concerns about what your spouse might think, especially when you're considering something new. Here's the thing: when I first looked into this business, I had similar worries. It's normal to feel unsure, and your spouse probably just wants to make sure you're making a sound decision. One thing that helped me was to invite my spouse to learn about this business with me. Watch the information together, answer together. And when your spouse understands that this isn't a gamble but an investment in a proven system, their skepticism may soften. Involving them shows that you're not making this decision lightly and that their opinion matters. But ultimately, this is your journey. We are individual business owners, and taking the step forward is a personal decision. If this is something you believe you can change your life and open up new possibilities for your family, sometimes it's about having an open conversation and explaining why it's important to you. The key is not to convince them, but to share your vision and the opportunity you see. Plus, with the 30-day refund policy, you're not taking a big risk, just exploring an option that could very well be a game changer. You can try it out with no obligation, and they'll likely appreciate that you're being smart about it. At the end of the day, the decision to move forward has to come from you. Sometimes taking that leap of faith, despite initial doubts, can lead to outcomes you never imagined, both for yourself and your family.